Hi, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Well, folks, it's that time again. Summer is nearing an end. Fall is right around the corner. You know what that means. No, I'm not talking about snow. No, I'm not talking about leaves. What I'm talking about is back to school. You guessed it, back to school. Back to school for the youngsters going to grade school, middle school, those going to high school. Then we have the first year freshmen, the college students, or those that are already in college. Nonetheless, nothing's going to get you to school quicker, and nothing's going to help you to get your kids to school quicker than a brand new vehicle. Now, I want to show you, we have a vast number of used vehicles for sale right now here on our lot. We have a price almost for everybody. That's right. Come in to see us here at Russ Darrow Mazda, 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Come pick out a brand new used vehicle for your freshman for college, or get a newer used vehicle for yourself for all that ripping and running you're going to be doing this fall to help your children with school. We've got SUVs, we've got sedans, we've got hybrids, we've got soft tops, we've got all types of stuff here. So come and see us here at Russ Darrow Mazda. My name's Jason. I'd love to work with you here on the lot. A magnificent array of different types of vehicles to serve you and your family. Come on by, Russ Darrow Mazda, 3520 South 108th Street in Greenville, Wisconsin. Ask for Jason. Otherwise, I'll look for you on the lot. Take care.